Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. My name is Niki and this is Niki the Art. So just a quick flyover of the piece I'm doing for you today. It's a 13-inch wood round, very soft colours, blues and golds, and the colours will be shown at the end of the video, but let me know what you think, whether you prefer the colours shown at the beginning or at the end. This video and my last one, I've shown them at the end. See what you think. Look at this blue gold shift. See how it's blue one way and see blue, and then you turn it and it's gold. That's this Little Piggy pigment called Indigo Waves. It's such a pretty pigment, TLP pigment, so pretty. So yeah, all the colours as always are listed in the description box below, and yeah, I'll let you watch and come back to you later.
Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go, and I keep falling slow. But they got nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait it like a fool. Can't help myself, I'm reminiscing how it felt to hold you close. I know it hurts, but what's the difference? How this will turn out, no one knows. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go. And I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. So there you go. I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait here. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Thanks for sticking around, guys, and now I'm going to show you my colours. So the first one is this Little Piggy TLP Indigo Waves. That's that gorgeous blue gold shift, and when I turn the stirring stick, I'm trying to get the angle right, because it's hard to show. It's more if you look side on, there you can see the gold. So when you're looking straight down at the picture, the completed picture, it's very gold, but then you turn your head slightly and then it's just blue. Such a pretty colour. And this is Primary Elements Colour Shift Oasis mixed with Decoart Extreme Sheen Aquamarine and Golden Interference Gold. And the other one is Golden Iridescent Gold Fine, the gold one. I'll show you in a moment. Beautiful, sort of a clean gold, not too yellow, nice and sort of fresh gold. And then it's Modern Masters rose gold, but in a moment you'll see me add a little bit of a varnish to the Indigo Waves and the Interference gold because they were a little bit thick. As you can see, I do like my colours quite thick. I mean, we all have our own preferences, but it was just a bit too gloopy. And my cell activators are Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold and Atelier Interactive Metallic Copper. So thank you very much for being here with me. I really appreciate you all. Honestly, I just can't tell you how much I appreciate all the lovely comments. And yeah, so if you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. And yeah, everybody just take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. I will show you the consistency of my cell activators as well if you want to just hang on another minute. And take care. See you guys. Bye.